Here's a quick little video on wiring of an 89 through 92 EZGO marathon. It's not going to be complete because I just got this, and the reverse buzzer, I can tell you, does not work. It's not wired up, and I don't believe it's wired up to have it go only to 2.5 ohms in reverse. But here you go. Your top charging port goes to main negative. Your bottom charging main positive, I'm sorry. Top charging goes to main positive. Bottom one goes to main negative. On this main positive, we also have, it goes to the solenoid over there. Whatever side you put this on, that becomes your, well, the big posts are both going to be positive. Both your big posts and your solenoid are always going to be positive. Alright, your other wire right here coming off this post is your key switch. Alright, now, so that's all three of those: charging port, solenoid, key switch. And the key switch, it goes to the bottom of the F and R switch. Alright, to the single micro switch on the passenger side, on the hinge side, which would be not the open side that's always closed, normally closed side. Alright, from that, it has a wire that comes up to the potentiometer on the same side over here. From there, that wire here, this one, that's your coming, it's coming from your battery, so it's carrying your positive. It's going to turn on your controller. That's your main controller, top left one. Alright. The other thing that comes off your potentiometer, it's going to go to your solenoid. Whatever side you put that on, it becomes your positive side, because that's carrying positive energy from the battery key switch for reverse potentiometer to the positive side of that. Whatever you hook it up, that makes it the positive side of your solenoid. If you have a diode, that's the silver side. Make sure that silver goes, otherwise you start burning stuff up. That's all three wires except for your mains that are built into the potentiometer, and one goes to the forward and reverse switch, micro switch, to the bottom lower hinge bottom of the switch, and your other one comes up here. It comes at the bottom of there. It goes all the way up here, and it's your blue and brown up there. I'm not sure which one's the blue, which one's the brown. That could be wrong, because it wasn't hooked up when I got it. I will look it up though. So those are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that come out of your potentiometer. Alright, your solenoid. We went over that one. That's your positive from potentiometer. The other side of that small will be your negative, and that goes to B negative on your controller. It says B negative down there. Alright. The big side we went over, it goes to the main on your battery. So this essentially is a contactor. They're called solenoid. If you're in the HVAC at all, it's a contactor. Once this gets powered, it has a piston that comes up, it closes it to where now these two are making contact. So this is now your positive. So when this gets pulled up, it gets energized, it sends it to the B positive on the controller. So that's it. This does not have the resistor on it unless it's built in. I don't see a resistor on this one, but you would have these two big sides have a resistor, so transfer of energy isn't so fast, or it actually holds energy for the controller. Alright, next you have, so we got the positive to the controller, positive to the battery main, positive potentiometer, negative to your B negative on your controller. Alright, so now that's potentiometer. We'll hit the controller. Again, top left, that goes to your potentiometer. Boom. Next two pins, next two pins down there, they go to your potentiometer as well. That's to control your speed. That little J4 right here, I was told to program. Sometimes these won't be set up for 0 to 5 ohms. They have to reprogram it. Hopefully yours comes that way. Alright, let's start off with the M negative. There's only one thing coming N negative, which is the bottom one right here. That's M negative. It goes M negative. M negative is this bad boy right here, which goes to FNR C6. FNR C6. So what it is, your FNR is A, B, C, D. 12, 3, 6, 9 if you go by a clock. 12, 3, 6, 9. So my labels, I actually call them A12, B3, C6, and D9. So, alright, if you hear me call it something else. So M goes down, M negative to C6. Your next one over is your B negative. B negative has 3 wires, one of them to the negative side of your solenoid. 3 wires, one negative side of the solenoid. This big boy, B negative to main negative. Over here, your next one, I lied, it only has 2 wires. 2 wires. I saw the yellow and got mixed up. Alright, your next one is B positive, which again, that one side comes to the solenoid. Your other B positive goes to the 4th mount down. I cannot see labels or numbers on this one, so I just put the top one that's closest to me is 1, all the way down underneath is 4. And so I just went 1, 2, 3, 4. I know they're going to have like an S, an armature, and a series, but I don't see it. So you can see I put a little permanent marker on there for 1. 1's close to me. 4 is all the way back around. Alright. So B positive, those are yours too. This last connection to A2. We have A2 to FNR A12. So it comes right back up to the top over there. Hope y'all aren't getting too dizzy. 6'2", 300 pounds, and bending over is not the easiest thing. Alright, so those are all your wires coming out of there. Let's hit the last your FNR. 12, which we already got. A2 or A12 to A2 on the battery. Boom, that's the last one we just went over. Your next 12, there's 2 coming out of 12, are FNR A12 to motor 2. So it's the second one down there. Couldn't tell you the name of it, but I know it's the second one down there. Next one, FNR D9 to motor 3. So it comes around and down to the 3rd post underneath there. And then your last one, I got 1, 2, we got both of those 2 top wires. Or 3, we got the D to motor 3. We got 1 wire coming out, which is C6 to M minus. Comes to M minus, M negative. Come on now, M minus. And then you got your 3 o'clock, which is FNR B3 to motor number 1. I hope I've got everything now. These wires right here, I believe, are just to the buzzer that are hanging out broken right there. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. Alright, made this for me so I can always look over it, but if it helps anybody out there, I hope it does. Alright, I think I didn't get this one on your main negative. Here we go. This goes to the FNR on the it's connected to the buzzer on the bottom to your main negative. There's 3 wires coming up the main negative. Might as well go over that, finish it. That is your bottom port on your charging, and this one goes to be negative, which I already went over. Okay, hopefully that helps. If you're a moron like me, you got to label everything and make videos, because we forget once you get older and you got gray hair everywhere. Alright, hope this helps y'all. Again, there we go. Have a good day.